lovelies, it's always nice to come your way again. I have an exciting news. So it's been about a month since I started this channel, and I think I've received massive support because I've reached over 100 subscribers in just a month, and I'm really excited about that. Thank you so much for supporting my channel if you're a subscriber. If you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe, like, and comment because there's more great recipes coming your way. Stay tuned as today we make chickpeas and beets curry. Let's see how that goes. Thank you. So here's what you will need. About a cup of chopped beets, 2 cups of chickpeas, 1 cup of coconut milk, some minced ginger and garlic, 3 tablespoons of thyroid curry paste, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, about half the size of some onions. I have some Thai chili here. I have a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of coriander, and some salt. So the chickpeas are all nice and cooked. Now you may not want to throw the water you drain from the cooked chickpeas away. If you're into vegan cooking, you can actually use this. This is what is used for aquafaba. On a medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Stir in your minced garlic and ginger. Cook this for about a minute and stir in your onions. After 3 minutes with constant stirring, put in your thyroid curry paste. Cook this for 3 minutes, after which you stir in the other spices. Let's start with our chili, and you can totally do away with this if you don't like spicy food. We'll stir in our cumin or coriander. I always find it difficult to know which is which because I think the colors are very close. We'll stir in the coriander, turmeric, and stir everything together. Let this cook for about a minute and stir in your beets and coconut milk. Stir in the beets and the coconut milk. Cook this for 3 minutes, or when your beet has reached its desired cookness. I don't know if that is a word, but when your beets are cooked according to your preference, then you can stir in your chickpeas. At this point, I'm also going to add a bit of salt. Add salt as desired. After your beets have been cooked according to your preference, stir in your cooked chickpeas. Let this cook until your chickpeas are nicely cooked, again according to your preference, and voila, dinner is ready. Or maybe lunch. So I went ahead and mixed 1 coconut flour in water, and I'm going to add to that. You can have this with rice or with some flatbread or some naan. Give this a try, it's really delicious. One key thing to vegan cooking is flavor. You can't just make it plain. It will just taste, I don't know, it wouldn't taste great. So don't miss out on the flavor, on the spices. This tastes really amazing. You should give this a try. Let's give this a try. You know what? This is really good. It's actually better than I expected. Fun fact, This is the first time I'm ever making this recipe and I love it. It's amazing. The key to vegan cooking is flavor, spices. Don't make it raw, okay? Add some spices to it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's be friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.